This is Dave Buchholz from Intel talking about Intel Unite. Here are his 3 devices. What is that, an iPad?
iPad.
What's that?
This is a Lenovo Yoga.
Okay.
And this is a MacBook Pro.
Okay.
Okay, and so walk into the room, you see the screen, simple instructions. The idea here is in less than 30 seconds you can connect your device. So here I've got a system, I've just pulled up the Unite app. Pin code on the screen is 660-368, 660-368. And that quickly I'm connected. I can now hit present screen, and now wirelessly I'm sharing my screen to the front of the room. But the nice thing is, it's not just about one person, it's about collaboration. So now on my other system, I can now share from my Mac. And so now I've got 2 people sharing the screen. If I want a third person, let me pull up my iPad here. I'm gonna share a document on my iPad. And I'm gonna say, I want to share that screen. Let me type in the pin, 660-368, present, show this. No, I don't want to take over the screen. And I start presenting, and now you see that the iPad is actually sharing as well. So up to 4 people sharing a screen at one time. If I want to take back control, I just hit take over. Now I'm actually switching back to the presenter again. We've got full integration with other ecosystems here. So we've got Skype for Business here. Not only can I control it from here, but even from the buttons on the system here. I can hit start, and it'll start a Skype for Business session in the background if my Wi-Fi is offline again. So we won't show Skype for Business. We can do sharing of files. I can drag a file into here, and then it shows everybody else that's on the network. So I can say, hey, let me choose just this person, and I want to share that unit, that file with, and I get notified on this client over here. So let me present display again. And you can see that I get shown that somebody else shared a file with me. Do I want it, or do I want to not take it? I'll just say I'll take it. And then again, this is peer-to-peer through the hub. I can actually share files. So now it's brought that file down, and I can actually have that PowerPoint. So if I'm a teacher teaching a session, I want to send it out to everybody that's part of the lesson, I can drag it right into there. Everybody who's connected as part of the classroom environment right now, and give them the teaching files all at one time.
And can you do annotation, Dave, if someone's looking to annotate as they talk?
Yeah, so just as I'm showing right here, I can go view, and now I'm remotely viewing what I'm showing on my other system, and then I can come into here and say, we're really talking about this piece right here, where you can accept or push the piece back, and you can see how these fade away, and you can choose whether these stay persistent, whether you want them to fade away, save as an image before you move on, those kinds of things, or you can even prevent people from doing them. You can switch up colors and go to different things, right? So you can see how responsive this is. So I can switch back and forth, do several things. One of the other cool things here, if I take over the screen again, I can go in, is we have video, right? So full 1080p, 30 frames per second video.
Ooh, Michael Phelps face. Old computer slowing you down? Is it a real drag?
I know. New computers are super fast.
And yet here you are with a new world record for the slowest computer.
You know about it. Now do something about it.
So full 1080p, 30 frames per second, audio and video, all done from the interface, delivered directly to the screen. But yeah, this is Intel Unite. We've got guest access built in. If you come into the network, you don't have rights on the network, you can turn on guest access, allow people to present out onto it. We try to make it seamless, easy. Best of all, it's free.
Yay, thanks, Dave.